Hi all. So in this video, discuss LeetCode problem 846. Problem is that hand of states. So what is the problem? Should that Alice has some numbers of cards and she wants to rearrange the cards into groups so that each of size group size and consists of group size consecutive cards. Okay, so given an integer array hand where hand I is the value written on the ith card and an integer group size return true if she can rearrange the card or false otherwise. So we will given a cards, okay, array of cards. So and they will given the group size also. I have to actually rearrange those cards into a group into groups where each group size will be the given group size. Like here actually it is 3, so each group size will be 3. Okay, and I have to rearrange this. All the numbers should be consecutive. Like here, like for this group, like suppose 1 2 3, this is a group of size 3 where every number is consecutive, 1 then 2 then 3. Got it? Then suppose 2 3 4, this is again group size of 3 where each number is consecutive, 2 3 and 4. Similarly 3 4 and 5, this is also a group of size 3 where each number is consecutive. Okay, we actually have to rearrange those given cards into in these groups in this way where each group size will be the given group size. Okay, and the each number of every group should be the consecutive. Okay, so let's take the example of this. So we'll given 1 2 3 6 2, then 3 4 7 8. Okay, and group size is 3. Okay, now actually each group will be size 3. Okay, so how many um, person are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there will actually 3 group because n is the total size of, and each group size is suppose k, then 9 person are available and each group size is 3. So then how many group will be there? 3 group. Okay, that's why I taken group 1, group 2 and group 3. Okay, so suppose let's take this 1 2 3. This is group size 3 and all number is consecutive, 1 2 and 3, all of these are consecutive. Let's take next like 6 2 3, not consecutive. Okay, then take 2 3 4. Yeah, 2 3 4 is consecutive, I can take this as a group. Next is 6 7 8. Yeah, 6 7 8. Got it? So in this actually I can actually rearrange those person into a group. That's why I have to return true. Got it? And if I can't like for this example 2, it's returning false. I am sharing why it is giving a returning false. Okay, so group size 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the person and group size is 4. First of all, like here actually how many person are there? 5. If I want to divide each person into a group of size 4, is it possible? Because this will be returning something 1.2 something dot dot dot. Got it? Not divisible because not equal to 0. 5 modulo of 4, we can't divide into 4 group of size 4. It should be divisible, right? So that's why returning false. Okay, let's take another example like 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, then 2 3 4, then suppose 1 2 3 again. Okay, so if I choose any random position like 5 6 2, is it possible to take a group? No, because if I take 5 6 and 2, what will, is this consecutive? No consecutive, like they are not consecutive. So what will happen? This will not be able to make a group. So if I sort this array, like what will happen? 1 2 3 again, sorry, I am sorting whole of the array, so I will get 1 1 2 2, then 3 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Got it? In this actually I will sort. So if I take the smallest element 1, so what will be should be the next target? Next will be I will check 2 is present or not. if I got the 2, then I will check 3 is present or not. If somehow in between any number is not present, then that time what will return false. If any number is not present that times, because I am taking the, I can also start from right to left. Like similarly for I will search 6 first. I got 6. Then whatever I got the rightmost. What I have to do is I have to create the group. So I know that there is no element, no person right side. So I will search in the left any uh, person available. Okay, so any consecutive. So I will search 5 is present or not. Okay, 5 is, if 5 is not present, then I have to return false. If 5 is present, then what will be our next target? Next target 4 is present or not. In similar way, okay, you can go to left to right or right to left. Because if I start from small to bigger, then what will be? I will first go to small, then I will check is there small plus 1 is present or not. Then small plus 2 in this way. Okay, so one, you got the logic that if I have sort the array, I will in this way actually I can do this, right? So one observation is like here these, like how many 1 is present, 2, how many 2 are present, 2, 3 how many present are 2, 4 how many present, 1, 5 how many present, 1, 6 how many present, 1. Got it? Now if I start from 1, I am trying to make a group whose starting element is 1. Let's start from small to bigger. Okay, now I'm starting from 1. So what will happen? I will check that how many 1 are present. I will check that okay, 2 1 are present. So I will start 2 groups at a time, parallel. So what should be our next target? Next target is 2, because these are actually consecutive. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So I will check that each 2 present similar times. Suppose it's present only once, I can create one group, but this group will be not be able to create second group, because I need 2, which is only one in present in the array. So it's not possible to create the group. So that time I will return false, because I need 2 times at least, right? But I am getting only once in case of 2. That time I can't create 2 groups parallel. Got it? Because I have already seen 1. I need actually 2. Otherwise, I will not be able to complete the group. Got it? So next I will check. Okay, this is present two times. Let's forget this situation now. I have explained this. Now next 2 is present 2 times. Okay, so I will check. Okay, 2 is also present 2 times. Okay, got it? No problem. Go to the next 3. I have also have to find out that 3 is present at least 2 times or not. At least 2, because it may happen that 3 is present 3 also. No problem. I will start again a new group 3 4 5. Got it? But if I have to take this into this current group, I have 3 have to be present at least 2 times. So I'll check, is this present 2 times? Yeah, it is present. So let's complete this group. Go to the next time. Next, what will happen? In our map will present 4, because I have already taken this. So I will discard this from the map, that I have already taken this element into a group. So this is no more available. So I'll go to next is 4. Okay, so I'll check how many 4 are present, 1. So I will go to the next element. What is the consecutive next element is 5. So I will check, is this present at least once? Yeah, this is present at least once. Okay, then no problem. Go to the next target. Next target is 6. So I'll check at least 6 is present once. Yeah, this is present. So I will take this into the current group and also decrease the count, because I have already taken this into a group. Okay, so next our target map will be empty. So I will return true, that I am able to create a group. Got it? So if in between like in this example, like 1 is present 2, 2 is present 1 or 2, 3 is present 1. Got it? So and 4 is present, suppose 1, 5 is also present 1, 6 is also present 1. Okay, so I am trying to take 1 now. I have shared the logic why I am sorting this. Got it? Because it will be helpful to search. Because if you take randomly, then what will happen? I will first go to the 2. I will check that 3 is present or not. It may happen that 2 is in between the group. So I will go to the 1 is present or not. Got it? So that's why I will start from from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. Okay, left to right or right to left. So first I've started from smaller one, left to right. So first we'll check how many one is present two times. Okay, so I will create two group. Okay, now group size is 3. So I go to the next. Next is what is 2. I need target is 2. So I'll check 2 is present 2 times. Yeah, this is present 2 times, no problem. What will be the next target? Next target is 3. I have started from 1. What will be the next target? How many should be in the present? 1, 2, and 3. So I'll check the 3 is present 2 times. No, it's present only once. So I can only create this group, not this group, because this is all present only once. It will be available only one group, right? So this will not be able to complete this group. So in that front, I can return false. Got it? So let's go to the code. Okay. So first actually count the map. This is a ordered map. Why ordered map? Otherwise I have to sort this. Ordered map actually by default sorted. That's why actually I have taken this. Okay. So first of all, traverse all the numbers in hand and store this into the map. Which actually store like how many one is present in our array. Like in this way, 1 is present 2 times, 2 is present 2 times, 3 is present 2 times in this way. Okay. So I have created the frequency map where I have got it the number in sorted order because this is a ordered map, unordered map. Otherwise it will be create the same problem. That's why I've taken the ordered map. Sorry. Now traversing the map. What will happen? First I will come 1. So I will check that okay, is this still greater than 0? Means this is actually a starting of a new group because I'm going from smaller to bigger, right? So I will check that okay, if still element is greater than 0 means this element, this number is some number is present which is not a part of any group till now. So I have to start the group from this will be the starting point. So whenever I found that okay, this frequency is greater than 0, so I will try to take the consecutive numbers, right? So what will happen? I will start from k is equal to 0 and k less than group size. Okay, so why k is equal to 0 and k less than group size? Because group size is suppose 3. So if I start from 0, 1 and 2, right? K less than 3 means 0, 1 and 2. So first of all starting I know suppose x. I know I dot first. This will give 1. This is actually starting. So x plus 0 is equal to x. X plus 1 is equal to x plus 1. X plus 2 it will give actually x plus 2. Like if x is equal to 1, then what will happen? 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 it will give 2. Next consecutive. 1 plus 2 is equal to give 3, which is the next consecutive. So I have taken this for loop, which will actually create the consecutive numbers starting from the I dot first. What will happen? I will check that is the 2, the next consecutive number is present, the at least I need for starting the previous number. Previous number must starting from the I dot first. So I'll check. I will first decrease the count. Like if I dot decrease the count, how many times? Like I dot first plus k. Here actually return 2. And how much am I decreasing? Because suppose here actually. So I am starting from 2. Plus 2 means I am starting from 1. And how many times it's present? 2. So I will start 2 group at a time parallel. So for the next number also I need 2. So I will subtract it by 2. Again also I will subtract by 2 and I will get 0. If any, suppose this is present, 3 present only once. If I subtract with minus 2, what will get? I will get minus 1, which is actually not present. Actually it will some numbers is not able to part of the group. So I'll check. First decrease the count and check is this count is still less if greater than 0, sum of 0. This is in this case. So what will happen? I will not be able to create the group which is starting from the current number I dot first. So that time return the false. Else I am able to create the group and also partition all of this and return true at the end. Got it? And how the time will sort this? Like here actually I am traversing the array, so it will time also big of n and map. Suppose the different number of different numbers is suppose m. So for m into k, because for each number I am traversing the group size. So m into k. So time method will be mk. Got it? There are also similar question they have mentioned in the LeetCode. They have given also the link. Here also this they are trying to say the same things. Like what? They are trying to say that will be array of integers, nums, and a positive integer k. Check whether it is possible to divide this array into sets of k consecutive numbers. Similar case, like k consecutive numbers mean what? I start from 2, then what will happen? 2, 3, 4, 5. If I start from suppose 10, then what will it? 11, 12, 13. Got it? So I'll given a array of integers and I'll given the 4 group size. Just relate those the previous problem and this problem. They are also given the a random integer number and also will give the group size. Here actually they are trying to say 4 consecutive numbers. They are the same thing. I need 4 numbers group size of 4 where each number should be consecutive. Here also they are trying to say same things, the k consecutive numbers. So similarly I will first count the frequency similarly and then try to take the line. If I start from 1, then I will get 1, 2, 3, 4 or not. If I start from 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 I am getting or not. Got it? Just let those problem. Okay. Thank you.